friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the MSI's 3 new PC cases. So friend, MSI has recently announced several new PC cases including the Neon Genesis Evangelion limited edition co-branded with first MPG GUNGIR 110R, second MEG TREBLE ITX and the last MEG PROSPECT 700RL. So friend, the first MSI MPG GUNGIR 110R EVA-E project case is a custom version of GUNGIR 110R featuring coloring and theming inspired by the 1995 mecha N9 series. And from the second MSI MEG Treble series ITX case features a unique hexagonal design with 3 chambers for a 330mm graphics card, 280mm liquid cooler radiator and ITX motherboard plus SFX-L power supply. And from the case can be positioned vertically or horizontally and features 3 movable panels for easy access to the chambers. And from last, MSI MEG PROSPECT 700RL is a standard mid-tower case featuring an integrated EKWB distribution plate satisfying custom water cooling setup. And the case can accommodate up to 3 360mm radiators on the front, top and side and comes pre-installed with 4 140mm ARGB fans on the front and rear. And from the side and back panels are all features screw-less design and easy access and maintenance, while the front I/O includes USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C, HD audio and LED control button. And friend, MSI has not revealed any pricing or availability information for these cases. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.